Good morning, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making sourdough Greek loaves. I'll begin with one recipe of sourdough starter, then we're going to add a quarter cup of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. We're just going to mix that together. I'm just going to set this aside for a few minutes while I work on my dry ingredients. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 5 cups of flour. I'm also going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, about a tablespoon of basil, and about a tablespoon and a half of oregano, a couple teaspoons of onion powder, and about a tablespoon of parsley, some dried dill, and some marjoram, and I'm also going to add some thyme. Just going to shake it in there, and some peppercorn pepper, and also some salt. Whisk that together. Now I'm slowly going to add the flour, and I'll start with 2 cups. I'll add as needed. So only add enough flour until it's not sticking to your hands, and do not knead. We're just going to shape it into a bowl or a ball, and then we're going to place it into a greased bowl. Just going to shape it, and we're going to flip it once and cover, and we're going to let it rise for about an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half. We're just going to punch down our dough. It's doubled in size. I'm also going to add about a cup of crumbled feta cheese and about 3/4 cups of sliced olives. And now we're just going to pull and mix it all in there. And I'm just going to cut these into 2. You can see the cheese and the olives inside there. I'm just going to roll it into a ball. I'm just going to set it in my Dutch oven. And we'll cover in a warm pot, and we'll let these rise for about an hour and a half. Okay, our breads have doubled in size. We're going to preheat our oven to 350, and we're going to bake for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. I'll let you know exactly how long it took. So these baked for 30 minutes. I'm just going to brush them with garlic butter. Oh, they smell so good. And I'm going to turn them over onto the cooling rack. Oops. You can see the olives and the cheese. Oh, these breads turned out so awesome.